Hello, this is Jacob from Kayhan Audio. Today I'll be showing you how to have a new launcher, so a new setup for your main menu. So first things first, what you want to do is do your research on which launcher you'd like. Personally, I'm going to be using Web Guru, so that is a different type of launcher. I've already downloaded onto the unit, but I'll be showing you how to download, which is just simply through the Google Play Store. So make sure you locate one that's easily downloaded through Google Play Store, but you can download them through APKs as well. So that's an option there as well. So from here, what you want to do is tap home. Once you go home, locate your Play Store. So there's my Play Store. I'm already here for the Car Guru, but what you want to do is go to the search bar, search Car Guru or whatever you'd like. The actual app's name is Car Web Guru. I just searched Car Guru as it's a shortcut and it's faster to find it, as I've already installed it. So yeah, once you're there, just tap it, install it. Once it's installed, click on to open. Give it a moment, it's loaded, perfect. Then tap the home button. So you do have the app's downloaded onto your unit. From here, what you want to do once you're in home, go settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go apps and notifications. Once you find which app you wanted, so if you want Car Web Guru, tap onto that. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit. Over here, you'll find an option where it says Home App. So right here, as you can see under memory, there'll be a home app option. Tap onto that. Once you tap onto that, click onto home app again. So over here, tap it. And so we're going to switch it from the basic launcher, which is already in the unit, to Car Web Guru. So tap it there. And now every time you click the home button, so this button at the top, it will take you to the Car Web Guru. So for me, it's just there, and we're right on here. So yeah, some people like having different launchers, as it looks different, better, or whatever you'd like. We still recommend keeping the default one we provide you with, but yet again, you have multiple options as we offer them. So yeah, everything's accessible. I got Play Store, apps, settings, all those gimmicks, and every time I click it, and if you want to switch back, it's simply the same thing. So go settings. Once you're in settings, go into apps and notifications, go into Car Web Guru. To take it off, all you need to do is go back into the app, Car Web Guru, go to home app, same place, go to home app again, and then just switch it back to launcher, and when you click home, it'll take you back to the normal main menu. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this has helped you a bit in finding what you like. Please leave a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please feel free to share the video to your friends so they may do something for themselves. Toodles.